In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Stan Store subscription. We'll walk through the process step by step so you know exactly what to expect and where to click, and you can follow along on your own screen if you'd like. First, start by logging into your Stan Store account. Open your browser, go to the Stan Store website, and sign in with your usual login details. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard. Take a moment here to make sure you're in the right account, especially if you manage more than one store. Now, look toward the lower left corner of the screen. You should see a menu or sidebar with several options. In that area, find the option labeled Settings and click on it. This is where Stan Store keeps most of your account controls, including subscription and billing details. After you click Settings, you'll be taken to a new page. At the top of this page, you'll see multiple tabs. These might include things like account information, store settings, and other preferences. The tab you're interested in is the one labeled Billing. Go ahead and click on the Billing tab to open your subscription details. On the Billing page, you'll see an overview of your current subscription. Here, Stan Store shows important information such as whether you're on a monthly or yearly plan, the price of your subscription, and when your next billing date is. If you're still on a trial, you should also see when that trial is set to expire. Take a moment to review this information so you know when your access will end and whether you'll be charged again. Once you've confirmed the details, scroll down to the bottom of the billing section. You should see a button labeled Cancel Subscription. Click this button to start the cancellation process. The page will refresh or reload, and you'll be presented with two new options. One button will invite you to claim a free month, which is Stan Store's way of encouraging you to keep your subscription a little longer. The other button will say something like, "No thanks, cancel my subscription." If you're sure you want to cancel and you don't want the extra month, click "No thanks, cancel my subscription." After you click that, your cancellation will be processed, and your subscription will be set to end according to the details shown on the billing page.